What is the current state of the U.S. economy? Well, the data presents a complicated picture.
Americans are in a bad mood about the economy. Republicans, Democrats, independents, they are telling
in an effort to lower inflation. Prices are still high
right now. Doesn't look particularly
Prices are still higher than they were 2 or 3 years ago.
To be easy, consumers are worried the dip in higher prices will not last, though.
Most Americans can't afford a $1,000 unexpected expense. Can you? But can you afford it without charging the bill on a credit card? With credit card debt at an all-time high, it's easy to see how most families can get in a money crunch very quickly. Isn't it time you quit gambling on your future and take control today? Hi, I'm Mike, one of the Good Guides. Good Guides is a new concept in home and auto protection. We saw an opening in the American market that desperately needed addressing. So we created a service that you will love and get tons of benefits from. Now, we've searched high and low for the best service to make your life easier and save you money. Let me ask you a question. Did you know that 90% of homeowners didn't realize how expensive it would be to own a home? That's 9 out of 10 homeowners who bought a home. In the last 3 years, they told CNBC they were unprepared for the extra cost of maintaining their property. Now, older homes, they're in constant need of maintenance. An AC replacement costs an average of $7,000 according to HomeAdvisor. According to the Federal Reserve report, nearly 40% of U.S. adults do not have enough savings to cover a $400 emergency expense, renters included. But it gets worse. The National Foundation for Credit Counseling reported that nearly 2/3 of Americans would struggle to cover a $1,000 emergency home repair. That's 200 million people. That may be you. It's definitely many of your neighbors, no matter what neighborhood you live in. The reality is, most homeowners are one unexpected repair away from a financial crisis. And don't get me started on the car repairs. It's overwhelming. But you have to sleep somewhere. You have to drive on a daily basis. But with interest rates at a record high, inflation at a 40-year high, with household credit card debt approaching $100,000, the ripple effect on most Americans' budget continues in a downward spiral. So what happens when the AC breaks? Maybe your microwave goes out, or your transmission or engine problems, or worse yet, electronic issues. What do? Most people, they pull out the credit card and go into even more debt. And what they also do is add more stress to their family's bottom line. Look, it doesn't have to be that way. It's time you protect what you don't expect. Good Guides to the rescue. We take the stress out of 2 of your biggest expenses, your home and your auto. We make it easy when something goes wrong. One call, that's all. No more worrying about big deductibles. We don't have those. No more wondering who to call. You can actually quit bugging your neighbor for their mechanic's number. We've got you covered with dealerships or ASE certified service stations. Just call the Good Guides. We're different around here. From home heating, AC, plumbing, electrical systems, to even your appliances, like your water heater, your fridge, oven, stovetop, all the way down to your washer and dryer. One call, that's all. Get peace of mind back when driving. When something happens, we've got you covered. Parts, labor, diagnostic testing, engine, transmission, heating, AC systems, water pump, electrical systems, and those high-tech electronics, and so much more. Peace of mind. We protect what you don't expect. Without our service, you're at the mercy of the dealerships or the service companies when something breaks. With our service, you are in full control. Most importantly, you don't have to pay for our services in full. We have a payment plan, and we don't charge you a dime of interest. It's a no-brainer. Let me walk you through it. We sell a unique service, a product that you'll love, a product that you need, something that simplifies your life and protects your family.